Yeah. In the wet mix.
What?
Go! You're not in the wet as much as I am. What are we doing? This is so stupid. We're trying to go in the round, so why are we going down here? You said this was easier.
Well, they're going back for me, because I was already too far. Whoa, slippery there.
Yeah, careful. Crap.
What?
This right here.
Well, you have more room than you did. You can kneel. There you go.
Still.
Jump for your head.
Yeah.
Watch out right here. I'm not sure this is easier.
No, I don't think it is.
But it's a little sunny.
Okay. Well, we gotta get up. You don't want to get hurt because we're stupid.
Yeah, I'm not sure this is... Oh, actually.
Be careful.
It's pretty good. If you think you can make this, you might not be able to.
I don't know. Do not sign up for this.
No, it's gonna be this hard.
It's not.
I did.
You're crazy.
Here.
Here, put that up there.
Put your... Hey, take everything.
Ow!
Put that on, maybe.
How am I gonna get up here?
That's gonna work out. Dry off your hand first.
My hand's fine. It's not wet.
On the thumb. The other side of the thumb. Alright.
Okay, wait. I'm not ready. So scary.
Here, hold on. Get a better grip. Well, don't... Just get a sure footing. I'm sorry. That was awesome. I'm glad you did it.
Stop being ridiculous.